Keep pedaling.
Keep pedaling. Yay, Ava.
Nice.
Ready? Let's see. Let's drive. See that little white box? That box.
That's uphill though, so let's kind of.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, a little bit.
Daddy said we should go that way. No, this way. Well, this way's uphill. This way's better, I think.
You got to keep pedaling. Remember to keep pedaling, sweetie. Here we go. Ava riding her bike for the first time, like she's old pro here. Look at her go. No one helping her. Going all the way. She's going to keep pedaling, and she's going to do her thing. Wow. She knows what's up. Well, I got to get out of her way. Good job, Ava.
So awesome.
What do you have to say to yourself, for yourself?
Great job!
Great job. Nice work. We're so excited for you here. Why don't you ride your bike all the way over? There you go. You even starting out by yourself. Look at you, you little show off.
Top leg first. So the high pedal. Here. High pedal. Yep. And then you push it, and then once you're going, then the second leg goes on. So now it switches because that one's the high pedal. Ready?
Look at that. Nice save. See how she balanced that? There you go.
See, having this like wherever she can go, the grass is good.
How's Reese over there? Good.
She's fine. She's just safe.
Turn back this way and keep pedaling. See, it's a little bit harder in the grass. So yeah, I think you are ready for the sidewalk. Ready?
Yeah, but this way she has just like free range. She doesn't have to worry about falling down or anything. Like she doesn't have to worry about staying on the track.
Hey, you ready for the sidewalk?